So welcome back. Today we'll talk about Java, objects and classes. ठीक है. Java is an object-oriented language. As a result, as a language that has the object-oriented features, Java supports the following fundamental concepts. Okay, इसके कुछ concepts हैं वो देख लेते हैं. Polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstractions, classes, objects, instance, method, masses passing. ठीक है. In this chapter we'll look into the concept, classes and objects. ठीक है. Object क्या क्या होता है भाई? Object have states and behaviors. Example, a dog has state, color, name, कलर होगा कुछ. ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्ट को हम कैसे डिफाइन कर रहे हैं भाई? देखो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट हैज स्टेट्स एंड बिहेवियर. ऑब्जेक्ट के पास कुछ ना कुछ तो स्टेट होगा, कोई मतलब फॉर्म होगा, और उसका कुछ ना कुछ बिहेवियर होगा. एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, अगर डॉग की बात करें हम लोग, और डॉग की बात करें तो उसका स्टेट होगा कुछ ना कुछ. ठीक है. कलर होगा, नेम होगा, ब्रीड होगा, एज वेल एज बिहेवियर कैसा होगा उसका, वो हमको पता चलेगा. ठीक है. रैगिंग द टेल, पूंछ हिलाता है, उसका बिहेवियर ये देखो. जो बिहेवियर है वो अपने पूंछ को दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है. पार्किंग करता हुआ दिखता है, ईटिंग करता हुआ दिखेगा. एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एन इंस्टेंस ऑफ द क्लास. ठीक है. फिर आता है हमारे पास क्लास. क्लास क्या है? क्लास कैन बी डिफाइंड एज टेम्पलेट ब्लूप्रिंट्स दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द बिहेवियर स्टेट दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ इट्स टाइप सपोर्ट्स. ठीक है भाई, है ना. फिर आता है हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन जावा. जावा के ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या क्या हैं देखते हैं. लेट अस नाउ लुक डीप into what are objects. If we consider the real world, we can find many objects around us: cars, dogs, humans, etc. All these objects have a state and a behavior. ठीक है. If we consider a dog, that its state is name, breed, color, and the behavior is barking, wagging the tail, running. If we compare these software objects with a object real world object, they have very similar characters. Software objects also have a state and a behavior. A software object's state is stored in field and behavior is shown by method. So in software development, method operate on the internal state. Sorry. So in software developments, methods operate on an internal state of an object, and the object to object communication is done by method. फिर आता है हमारे पास classes in Java. The class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. For example, following are the sample of the classes. Let's see. Public class dog, फिर string breed, string int age, फिर string color, void breaking, barking, फिर void hungry, फिर void sleeping. A class contain any of the following variable. कोई भी वेरिएबल इसमें से हो सकता है. पहला लोकल वेरिएबल, फिर है इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल, फिर है क्लास वेरिएबल. ठीक है. लोकल वेरिएबल क्या कहता है? वेरिएबल्स डिफाइंड इनसाइड मेथड्स. वेरिएबल्स डिफाइंड इनसाइड मेथड्स, कंस्ट्रक्टर्स और ब्लॉक्स आर कॉल्ड लोकल वेरिएबल. ठीक है. The variable will be declared and initialized within the method, and the variable will be destroyed when the method has completed. ठीक है. Instant variable क्या होता है? Instant variables are variables within a class but outside any methods. These variables are initialized when the class is initialized instantiated inside. Variables can be accessed from inside any method, constructors or blocks of that particular classes. फिर आता है थर्ड में हमारा class variables. Class variables are variables declared within a class outside any method with a static keywords. A class can A class can have any number of methods to access the value of various kinds of method. In the above example, barking, hungry, and sleeping are methods. Following are some of the important topics that need to be discussed when looking into the class of Java. Constructors. Okay, constructors. When discussed about constructor, Uh, when discussing about classes, one of the most important subtopic would be constructors. Every class has a constructor. Hmm. If we do not explicitly write a constructor for a class, the Java compiler builds a default constructor for that classes. Each time a new object is created, at least one constructor will be invoked. The main rule of constructor is that they should have the same name as the class. A class can have more than one constructor. Following is an example of the constructor. Public class puppy, then comes public puppy. Okay, public puppy string name, then the construct this constructor have one parameter name. Java also support singleton classes, whereas where you would be able to create only one instance of a class. Note, we have two different types of constructors. We are going to discuss constructor in the detail in the subsequent chapters. Creating an object. Let us create an object. So, this will be our last topic for today's lecture. As mentioned previously, a class provides the blueprint for objects. Okay, so basically, an object is created from a class. In Java, the new keyword is used to create new objects. There are three steps when creating an object from a class. Declaration, a variable declaration with a variable name with an object type. Then comes instantiation. What is it? Inst- instantiation. Okay. The new keyword is used to create the object, and the last one is initialization. The new keyword is followed by a call to a customer. This call initialized the new object. Following is the example of the creating an object. Okay, object create करने का ये रहा example. So we'll be back soon. Okay, bye. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your mom. Bye bye. Take